Okay, so let's continue for probability and statistics 1, paper 5, February, March 2025. So here we're going to look into question number 4 until question number 6. Question number 4. Eddie has 14 toy cars, which are 8 are white. So I just write here what are the things. So 8 white car, 5 black, and 3 silver. He placed all the cars in the back and he select F3 at random without replacement. So take note, so it is without replacement. So find the probability that all 3 cars are same color. So it can be all 3 is white, or all 3 is black, or all 3 is silver. Okay, so for this I will be more preferable using the combination method rather than the probability directly. So for this, let's say I have got all 3 white, so white, 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 or it can be black, 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 or it could be silver, silver, silver. So in order to find the probability of all 3 white, so I got a total of 8 cars of white color and I choose 3 and divided by total selection. So I got 16 toy cars divided by 3. Why I do divide total select divided by total? Because it's a probability. Or it can be I got 5 black car, 5 I choose 3 divided with 16 I choose 3. Or 3 choose 3 over 16 choose 3. So it's going to be 56 over 560 or 10 over 560 or 1 over 560. So you total up, you'll get 67 over 560. Okay. So there are some other technique. Okay, there are some other method also by like you using the probabilities. So I don't really prefer in that way. Like for example, probability of choosing white color. So it will be 8 over 16, and then white color again like a 15 over, sorry, 7 over 15, and so on. So I don't really prefer in that method, so I use the combination method, but you can choose any other method that you preferred. So but for me I will prefer combination method using the C. Okay, so B, find the probability that when he take 3 cars are selected, at least one car is white and at least one car is black. So one car is white and one car is black. So it can be like this probability. It can be one white, one black. It must be there, and the third one can be anything. Okay, so this one can be other colors, any other colors. Okay, so this is the condition. Must be one white, one black, and one can be anything. Okay, so we're going to do, it can be either white, black, and also can be white. Okay, or it can be white, black, black, or it can be white, black, silver. Okay, so here I got 8 white color just now and I choose 2, so I use this method as well. So 8C2 over, so multiply with, I got how many black just now, sorry, the black is 5, so 5 I choose 1, so 16 you choose 3. Or I got 8 white I choose 1, and I got 5 black I choose 2 over 16C3. Or 8C1 times 5C1 times 3C1 over 16C3 means I got 8 white, choose 1, 5 black, choose 1, 3 silver, choose 1. So it's going to be 140 over 560 or 80 over 560 or 120 over 560. So you'll get 17 over 28. Okay. Okay, now let's go to question number 5. The mass of breaches sold in the is a normal distribution. It's normally distributed with mean and standard deviation. Technically, standard deviation is not the variance. Okay, so I just put this n. Okay, with the mean 65.8 and the standard deviation is 9.6. So variance is 9.6 squared. Okay, find the probability that mass of breaches sold in any given between 56 to 75. So they ask you to find the probability of 56 to 75. Okay, actually for distribution, we put equal or we don't put equal. It's not really matter. Okay, it's fine. It don't give any big impact. So first we standardize the value first. So it's going to be probability. Since it is not a discrete to continuous, you don't need to do any continuous correction. So don't confuse with this in the previous question. So it's going to be 56 minus 65.8 divided with standard deviation 9.6 c, and 75 minus 65.8 over 9.6. So it's going to be probability negative 1.021 z score to 0.9583. Okay, so here I just draw a simple normal distribution graph. Sorry. So it's something like this. So I put here as negative 1.021 and here 0.9583. So this is the region that you are looking for. Okay, so how you can calculate this is going to be probability your z score less than 0.9583 minus probability z score less than negative 1.021. Okay, so this one will be this region. Okay, so it's going to be 0.9583 minus 1 minus 1.021. Okay, so this region, if you want to find, is going to be 1 minus 1.021. Okay, so you can refer to the normal distribution 0.9583. So you can refer to the table 0.958. So means 0.8298 plus 0.0020, so will be 0.8309. Okay, it will be 0.8239, so it's going to be, I just calculate here. For this, it's going to be 0.8329 plus 0.0020, okay, minus. So I directly write for this because you also can using your calculator to find the answer. So I just write directly 0.8463. Okay, so it's going to be 0.8309 minus 0. 0.1537, so get the answer as 0.677. Okay, so you can give your answer to 3 significant figure, or you can give to the 4 decimal place because the question here does not specifically mention, so you can give your answer to 3 significant figure. It doesn't matter. Okay, and then B, a mass of cherries sold per day in a supermarket is normally distributed to mean 72 point. Okay, so here's another distribution with 72.4, and the standard deviation is sigma square. Okay, it is known that on 10% of the days less than. So probability of x less than 59.1 is equal to 0.1. So here what I will do usually, I don't care what is the thing here. Okay, I just make this as a z score less than a is equal to 0.1. That's it. Okay, so I just make it like a, so it's easy for me to refer, or else I need to write a very long thing, so I don't like to do that. So I just make it this a. So my a, it can be either here, or it can be either here. So it depends. So there's a two possibilities. Okay, so I just draw another graph, separate graph. It can be here. So since it is probability is less than 0. Sorry, it's 0.1, it says less than a, so it can be here, or it can be here. And you can see the probability here is actually smaller than 0.5. So this area is smaller than 0.5, and this area is larger than 0.5. So this is the correct one. Okay, so means my a is negative. Please take note on that. Okay, so in order to find this, so a is equivalent to 1 minus 0.1, which will be 0.9. So you can refer this here. 0.9 is 1.282. Therefore, my A is equal to 1.282. But don't forget, my A is actually here is negative. It's a negative part, negative Z score. Okay, negative, introduce the negative. Therefore, how to standardize this? So my A is actually 59.1 minus 72.4 divided with sigma is equal to negative 1.282. Okay, you see, this one is actually my standardized score. My A is a standardized score. So how to get the A is actually standardize the X value, which is like this. Therefore, you rearrange and calculate, your sigma will be 10.4. Okay, see, the, the supermarket is open on 7 days a week. Find the probability that the probability of chosen week, the first day, which is less than 59.1 of cherries, is a fifth day. So you see here, the first day of this is on the fifth day. So means it is a geometric. So you can write directly it's a geometric. So the probability that they will sell on the less than 0.59.1 is 0.1. So they want probability x equal to fifth day. Means the very first time they sell of the cherries less than 59.1 is on the fifth day. So it's going to be q power of 4 p. Okay. So which will be 0.9 power of 4, 0.1, which is going to be 0.0656. Okay. And then for D, find the probability that a randomly chosen week, the first day, which is less than 59, cherries sold before the fifth day. So before the fifth day, it means they can sell either first day, or second day, or third day, or fourth day. So you can do this. So you find the probability x equal to 1 plus probability x equal to 2 plus probability x equal to 3 or probability x equal to 4. You can do this, or I also can write probability x less than 5 is equivalent to 1 minus q power of 4. So when I say q power of 4 means I never sell anything on. I never sell anything before the fourth day. Okay, so it's going to be 1 minus 0.9 power of 4 will be 0.344. Okay, just take note when I say it. Q power of 4 means no sales for 1, 2, 3, and 4. No sales on this. Okay, just take note that. Okay, means I never sell anything. Okay, and then the last question here. Elisa have 10 different books from the series and square circle. The books looks similar for the colors. So means the books similar except for their colors. So means if I say three blue books means three books are identical. Three blue books are identical. Two red books are identical. Two yellow books are identical. Okay. So Elisa placed her books in row in a shelf. She only interested in arranging of the colors. Okay. How many different arrangement are there of 10? Okay, so it's going to be very straightforward. So 10 factorial divided by why divide, because there's an identical. So 3 factorial times 2 factorial times 2 factorial. So it will be 151 200. Okay. Then, how many different colors of arrangement are there in 10 books, which 3 blue books are together, but 2 yellow books are not next to each other? Okay, for this case, I will arrange them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Since, oh, sorry, I don't use until 10. I need to eliminate 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I will arrange the 8 books first. I will don't consider the yellow book first. I will arrange the 8 books. And they said 3 blue books are together. So I group the 3 yellow books together. Okay. So now I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So 6 factorial. And inside this 6 factorial, there are 2 red books. So divide by 2 factorial, multiply by, so I got 3 places to arrange, so 3 factorial, and all 3 are identical, so I divide with 3, multiply. Now I want to arrange the yellow books. So the possible places I can put yellow is, I can put here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 spaces I can put my yellow books. So I will have 7 spaces, but I only arrange 2 yellow book, and that 2 yellow book are identical. Okay. So you calculate this, you'll get 7560. Actually, you can ignore this number because it will be 1. You can, if don't write this also is fine, but make sure you have this and this. Okay. And the last question, how many different color of arrangements are there of 10 books with exactly 4 books between the 2 yellow books? Okay, we arrange the 10 books first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, fine. Okay, so they said there must be 4 books between the yellow books. So here I put the first yellow, 1, 2, 3, 4. Second yellow. Okay, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 places I can arrange, and there are 3 and 2. So there are 3 blue books and 2 red books. Okay, but it's not the only way. So I can put yellow here. I can put, okay, this is the first case. If let's say, sorry, if let's say I put yellow here, so the next place I can put is here. So it's a second. So I can put my yellow here and yellow here. 3. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. five possibilities I can put my different space of I can put my yellow books. Okay, there are five different ways. So you calculate this will be 16800. Okay, so if you need any further explanation or clarification on what I did just now, because I did my questions in how I will do normally. So if you need any further clarification or you need a further explanation, you can comment on my video. So maybe I will reply to you. I will upload another detailed explanation on any questions that you require. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you.